change the rear brake pads on a Skoda Fabia. Start off by removing the little caps from where the wheel nuts are. They just go on each side and just pull straight out, like that. Now we're going to loosen up the wheel nuts. And then we're going to jack the car up. Now that the car's jacked up and safely supported on axle stands, then we can remove the wheel the rest of the way. So you're going to need a 15mm spanner to hold the nut here, and a 13mm socket or spanner for the nut behind. So just break it free first, and then once this starts spinning and like that, it wants to move, so we'll hold it in place. Then we can remove that, but before we fully remove it, we'll do the same with the bottom one just here. And this one, we're going to use an extension just so it can clear this. And then once that starts spinning like it is now, just put the spanner to hold it, and then you can remove it the rest of the way. That's out. Now we're just going to fully remove the top one. And that one's out too. Now we're just going to pull this apart away from the hub. Just the screwdriver, just gently pull it, it shouldn't be too difficult. That's it. And you can pull the brake pads off. Might need a screwdriver, just go behind, pull it off, and same with the inside one. And that's out too. Next, get a brake caliper rewind tool, and we're going to push the piston back. So get your brake caliper rewind tool, and make sure you've got one where these two tabs line up with this tab and that tab on the brake caliper. So slide it into place, and then make sure that those two bits line up. Then start pushing the thing back, so that way it's like that, and then you can start winding it. Once you've got it back, you can start to rewind this, and that way it can come out. That's ready for the new brake pads. Just try and clean up any of this brake dust that's built up over the years. Just make sure you do it all the way around. Helpful with a wire brush and some brake cleaner. So get a bit of copper grease, and we're just going to put some grease around these little tabs, which is where the brake pad goes onto the sliders. Make sure that you don't get any copper grease on the actual brake pad surface itself there. And I'm going to put that one into place. that, and the same with the other one. A little bit there where the caliper comes in contact. That's it, that's in place too. We'll put a little bit of thing there where the piston will touch it. Now get your brake caliper, and we're going to line that back over. Make sure that these tabs are pushed in so that way it can slide all the way in. And that's it. And then whilst pushing it in, get your bolt and start screwing it in. Once you've got that one in a few times, get the bottom one and get that one in too. And we'll start doing those up. So hold it with the 15 and start doing it up with the 13. That's it, and then we do the top one. That's it, and then you can torque them both up. Now you can fully tighten up the wheels. Make sure you torque them down. Then you can get these walnut covers. The round one goes on the locking walnut, and the rest of them will just go on whatever one. That's it, you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.